Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset ULEFONE Armor X12. Okay, in this video I'll show you two methods. First one is a recommended one when device is working properly, basically when it's responsive, is simply through the settings. The second one is by using the recovery mode, and this method is recommended, for example when the phone is unresponsive or when it's not working properly. I mean, when we cannot perform the standard method. But, of course, the method that you will pick is up to you. So let's begin with the first method. Just like I was saying, we need to open up the settings. Now scroll down until you find System and find the Reset option. In here, besides that we can erase all data, we can also reset network settings and reset app preferences. But we are interested in the last option, erase all data. In here we have a list of things that will be permanently deleted from your device. Now all you need to do is to simply click on erase all data. Then your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically. And the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. That's the first method. Now let's begin with the factory reset through the recovery mode. To do it, we need to power off our device, hold power button, and click on power off. Now let's wait a few seconds. And to get access into the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. So keep holding. Okay. Just like that. Now to move around this menu, it is pretty small, so maybe I'll go a little bit higher so you can see. We need to select recovery mode by clicking volume up. That's how we move around this menu. And now we need to click volume down to confirm the selected options. As you can see, this arrow is currently pointing the recovery mode. So now click volume down. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, we are in the recovery mode. Now, by clicking the volume buttons, we move around this menu. Select wipe data / factory reset. Confirm by clicking the power button. Select factory data reset again. Confirm. Now the process has started. Okay, data wipe complete. Select Reboot to system now. Click the power button. And within a second, the device will be turned on. And now we need to set up our device. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.